3, 2, 1.
After that backdrop, the phones still remain fully functional, but oh man, both of them completely shatter on the back.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, time for the moment of truth, and whether you call it Gorilla Armor or Ceramic Shield, the glass on both phones shattered. Bonus round. Okay, so we definitely saw something happen there with the iPhone, with the screen just going completely white. We can't even turn the display off even when we're pressing the power button, and obviously everything remains unresponsive to the touch. You can actually see it happen in the reflection in this slow-mo clip, with the white screen starting at the top and then trickling down to the bottom. It's pretty crazy, but either way, the iPhone is no longer operational.